Hello everyone, I will show you the restoration of Tarocchi Milanese, and this is my favorite. This is my favorite, one of my favorite work. And this is a box. You can see it's very beautiful. The color is very beautiful. Let's see the card, and you can see it's very beautiful. And this is the back. Let's see the card. Bagatella, Papista, imperfections. You can see they have high quality graphic. Very nice. Right. You can see her eyes is different with Tarocchi Milanese. The first side. Very beautiful. The devil. My favorite card of this deck is this one. Devil. It's different. Very beautiful. It's red. Okay. So nice. Wow. So nice. I like the blue. The color blue of this deck is very impressive. To the spade. The pink is very special. Can no color in restoration, so we can see. So nice. Very nice. The seal. You can see the seal. Lombardy, Milan. The flower, you see, so nice. You can see the flower. My favorite deck, one of my. Oh, nice. The paper is casino quality. You can see, you can hear the sound. Very comfortable. Back. Thank you watch my video. You can order from my website. Thank you.